Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency and want to learn how to start investing today, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with crypto investing. Let's dive in. Number 1. Understand what cryptocurrency is. Before you invest, it's crucial to understand what cryptocurrency is. At its core, cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others like Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Number 2. Research different cryptocurrencies. With thousands of cryptocurrencies available, it's important to research and understand the ones you're interested in. Bitcoin and Ethereum are great starting points due to their widespread adoption and established histories. However, you might also consider newer or lesser-known coins based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. Look into factors like the technology behind the coin, its use cases, and the team involved. Number 3. Choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. To start buying and trading cryptocurrencies, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Exchanges are platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade digital assets. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. When selecting an exchange, consider factors like security features, fees, available cryptocurrencies, and user experience. Number 4. Set up and secure your wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is where you store your digital assets. There are two main types: hot wallets, online, and cold wallets, offline. Hot wallets are convenient but more vulnerable to hacks, while cold wallets offer better security. For beginners, a reputable hot wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask is a good start. For larger investments, consider investing in a cold wallet like a hardware wallet from Ledger or Trezor. Number 5. Verify your identity. Most cryptocurrency exchanges require you to complete a Know Your Customer (KYC) process before you can start trading. This involves verifying your identity by providing personal information and documentation. This step is important for security and to comply with regulations. Number 6. Fund your account. Once your exchange account is set up and verified, you need to fund it. Most exchanges allow you to deposit funds via bank transfer, credit card, or even other cryptocurrencies. Choose the method that suits you best and deposit the amount you're comfortable with. Remember, it's always wise to start with an amount you're willing to lose. Number 7. Place your first trade. With your account funded, you're ready to make your first trade. Decide which cryptocurrency you want to buy and place an order. You can usually choose between a market order, buying at the current price, or a limit order, buying at a specific price. Follow the instructions on your exchange to complete the transaction. Number 8. Monitor your investments. After purchasing cryptocurrencies, it's important to monitor your investments regularly. Keep an eye on market trends, news, and any changes in the cryptocurrency space that might affect your holdings. Many exchanges offer tools and charts to help you track your portfolio. Number 9. Practice safe trading. Crypto markets can be volatile, so it's important to practice safe trading strategies. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, diversify your investments to spread risk, and consider setting up alerts or stop-loss orders to manage potential losses. Number 10. Stay informed and continue learning. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. Stay informed by following reliable news sources, joining online communities, and continuing to educate yourself about new developments and trends. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. And that's it. These are the essential steps to get you started with cryptocurrency investing. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment with any questions you might have, and subscribe for more content on cryptocurrency and investing.